The Shunga dynasty emerged in ancient India after the decline of the Mauryan Empire and played a significant role in shaping the political, cultural, and religious landscape of the subcontinent. Founded by Pushyamitra Shunga, a former Mauryan general, the dynasty ruled from Pataliputra and controlled much of northern and central India. Though often overshadowed by the grandeur of the Mauryas, the Shungas marked an important. The dynasty began around 185 BCE when Pushyamitra Shunga assassinated the last Mauryan ruler Brihadratha during a military parade. Pushyamitra, the commander-in-chief of the Mauryan army, was a Brahmin and sought to revive traditional Vedic culture, which he believed had declined under certain Mauryan policies. His rise signaled a shift from the Buddhist-leaning Mauryans to a regime that emphasized Vedic rituals and Brahmanical traditions. Pushyamitra spent much of his reign consolidating power and defending his territory. The Shunga Empire stretched across regions of Magadha, Malwa, Punjab, and parts of the northwest. He faced resistance from Indo-Greek rulers and other regional kingdoms, but inscriptions and historical texts suggest he successfully preserved territorial integrity. After Pushyamitra, his son Assassination Shunga became the second ruler. Assassination is famously known through Kalidasa's classical Sanskrit play Malavi Kagnimitram. His reign extended Shunga influence deeper into central India and strengthened the administrative system, which maintained many Mauryan structures but operated on a more decentralized model. The dynasty continued for 10 rulers, though later kings had limited control. Over time, the empire fragmented as local governors and regional kingdoms asserted independence. The Shungas are remembered for their contribution to Indian art, religion, and literature. While early Buddhist sources claim that Pushyamitra persecuted Buddhism, archaeological evidence indicates continued Buddhist patronage under various Shunga rulers. For example, the Great Stupa at Sanchi was expanded and decorated during this period. The famous railings and gateways, rich in carvings, reflect the artistic flourishing of the time. Shunga art is characterized by lively naturalistic stone reliefs, depictions of everyday life, animals, mythical beings, and religious motifs. Terracotta figurines from Mathura and other regions show the dynasty's contribution to the evolution of Indian sculptural styles. The dynasty strongly supported Sanskrit literature and Brahmanical rituals. Vedic sacrifices such as Ashvamedha were revived, symbolizing royal authority and cultural identity. The Shungas frequently clashed with the Indo-Greeks, who attempted to expand into northern India. Though Indo-Greek sources claim victories, Indian records indicate that the Shungas successfully defended their territory, particularly under Pushyamitra and later rulers. These conflicts contributed to cultural exchanges, influencing art and architecture through Greco-Buddhist styles. By the 1st century BCE, the Shunga dynasty weakened due to internal strife, economic challenges, and growing autonomy among provincial governors. The last king, Devabhuti, was assassinated by his minister Vasudeva Kanva, who founded the succeeding Kanva Dynasty. Thus, around 73 BCE, Shunga rule came to an end. The Shungas played a pivotal role in the historical transition from the Mauryans to later regional powers. Their reign reinforced Brahmanical traditions, encouraged Sanskrit learning, and left a lasting mark on Indian art and architecture, especially through Sanchi and Bharhut. Despite political instability, the era witnessed a rich cultural synthesis and continued development of religious and artistic expression. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating stories from history.